This is how to switch accounts on the Threads app. If you haven't already, just go to the App Store, look up Threads Instagram app, and update and install the app. Once you've done that, look up Threads on your phone and open up the app. Once you have the app opened and you've logged in already, we're going to go on the bottom right to a profile. Then from here, we're going to go on the top right, those two lines right there. And here we have two options. We can either switch profile straight from here. Let's press on that. And you can add another Threads profile if you'd like. Or you can also log out, which I'm going to do. Now that I've logged out, I'm going to go on the bottom here. It says switch accounts. Here it displays both of my accounts. We're going to press the other one. And I've successfully logged into my other account. If I go here, go to switch profiles, add a profile, my account from previous is already here, so we're going to press on that. And now both accounts are connected, so I can switch profiles with ease. That is how to switch accounts on Threads app.